Hello traders. Today is the 30th of October 2025. Let me show you guys how we analyze dollar yen. Today we were expecting high impact news for BOG. We had a monetary policy statement and BOG press conference. So after the news, we have seen amazing volatility. All the major against the yen, we had a bullish. So let me share with you how we analyze the dollar yen. So if you look at the 4 hour chart, sorry, 1 hour chart, and we have amazing. You can see this candlestick is the news reaction. So we're waiting here. We can see the previously priced respective many time. We have this area of interest, which just is what we're looking into it. So price came back and developed this false breakout. Then we did another analysis, look for this breakout. If the price cannot break, take a long, and we take a long trade here, squeeze amazing profit. And in London morning session, price came back and give us the confirmation, and we had another beautiful long trade, and most of the traders are still enjoying it. So if we had an amazing trade, guys. So you can see a profit target nicely hit, which is the previous high. Now, let me share with you how we analyze the entries and exits. So this was the first analysis after the news, and which is a pretty straightforward. If you look ahead, we have this false breakout. As mentioned in 4 hour, we have this false breakout. Price could not maintain below this level. So we're looking these breakouts. And in intraday, we have these sort of patterns. As you can see here, the price nicely broken. After this, you can see a sideways market, price nicely broken. And after that, we have another pullback, hit to the first target, previous high, and that's what we suggest over traders time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful long trade we had it. And we had another amazing trade, guys, at the London morning session because we were looking at this breakout. So let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries in intraday. So we had this beautiful breakout and pretty straightforward. As you can see, we explain in detail price action. Price nicely broke on this area. So I said to my trader, price nicely developed false breakout. So if the price gonna break this area or this area, then we're looking at trade. So you can see a price nicely broken. And after that, the best thing we always look at, momentum is bullish. The most important thing is after the breakout, the price give us the confirmation and hit the first target and develop another pullback. As you can see, the price is developing some sort of rejection. And intraday, we sort of develop a double top here. That's why we suggest our traders time to consider banking some profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, all the best.